Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So it's about that time for another monthly favorites video. I have some exciting products to share with you all this month, so let's get into it. So the first product I have to share with you guys is a hair care product, and this is the My Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Now if you guys saw my curly hair routine that I will link right here if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to watch it after this video. I was talking a lot about how my hair has been breaking, and I've been struggling with breakage for most of like 2020, and I really wanted to find a product that was going to help with that. So I decided to try out this My strengthening mask, and I used it about twice a week for the whole month of June, and I have seen a significant difference in the breakage in the front of my hair. I feel like my hair is starting to grow more, and if you're looking to strengthen your hair and you feel like your hair is a little bit weak, it's breaking in certain areas, I would recommend using some sort of heated deep conditioner cap because it will really help this mask better penetrate into your hair follicles. So I know most of us have been in quarantine for like 3+ months, and we haven't been able to like go out and get our regular beauty treatments, if it's getting our nails done, our hair done, getting our legs waxed. So I've been trying a lot of different at-home beauty treatments, and one thing that I really love and I think is worth your money are the Flamingo wax strips. And Flamingo actually has 3 different types of wax kits. So they have bikini line one, they have the body one, which you can use in your arms and legs. This is actually the body one, and then they also have the face one. So I've used all 3, and I definitely can say that they work so well. So for the body one, I used it on my legs and I used it on my arm. One thing that I would definitely recommend for the body one is you really need to exfoliate properly before you use it on your legs. I know personally for me, I have really coarse leg hair, and I know a lot of people can probably relate to that, and if I don't exfoliate properly when I use this, it's really not going to take all the leg hair off. I would also say, like any other waxing treatment you got, you really need to make sure that your hair is long enough so that the wax can really grip on it and take it all off completely. If you guys want, I can also do a full length review on this product and all of the different wax kits because I have tried all of them, and I would love to show you guys how great they work. So the next favorite is actually a nail polish, and as you guys know, in the beginning of quarantine, I was super into nail art. I was doing nail art like all the time, but I have since started to slow that down, but I have been painting my nails about once a week. And I do think that if you are going to transition into at-home manicures, because I feel like a lot of people are doing that now, being that one, a lot of nail salons aren't open, and also two, people are realizing that there are a lot of beauty treatments that we could just do at home and save some money. I definitely would recommend investing in quality nail polish. Now, I'm not talking over $10. I'm talking about like OPI and Essie, the polish that they use at most normal nail salons, and not really like those high-end nail salons. I personally just really like Essie just because I like the bottle shape a little bit better, but Essie has great quality nail polish. If you put it on and you do it right, and you put on your top coat, you let it dry properly, your at-home manicure will probably last over a week. This beautiful lavender color that I'm sharing with you all today is the color Playdate, and my mom likes to joke that this is my color. I don't really think she's joking though. Like, I honestly think that this is my color. I love this color on my nails. It looks so beautiful against my skin tone. I definitely would recommend, if you're looking for a really pretty summer shade, I would check out Playdate by Essie. So at the beginning of quarantine, I feel like most people, I decided to, plant some goals in my head that I really wanted to achieve during this time. And one of those things was to read a book a week. And clearly that did not happen, because the book I'm sharing with you guys is the only book that I've read for fun and probably since like 2019. Not even kidding you. I don't even know if I read a book in 2019. I feel like that sounds so bad, but I'm genuinely serious. When I was at Target a few weeks ago, my aunt actually recommended that I check out this book called Big Little Lies. Now I know this is a show on HBO. I have become aware, one, because of the cover, and also because people in my life have told me that after I read the book, I really need to watch the show. But if you watch my Get to Know Me, Get Ready With Me that I'll link right here, you would know that I love like murder mystery, like movies, books, anything. So I really do love this book. I don't want to give anything away for anyone that hasn't read it or hasn't seen the show, but it's really interesting. It's just about like moms at this like elementary school, and like something happens, and girl, I've been trying to figure it out chapter by chapter. I mean, as you can see, I'm really not that far in, so I feel like I kind of know what's happening, and I'm trying to like guess what happened to what person, but it's really hard because they're not giving too many hints. So if you're into like murder mystery books and just like trying to figure a story out as you read it, I would definitely recommend this book. So if there's one thing that has been keeping me sane during quarantine, it has been working out. Now in the beginning of quarantine, I was doing a lot of Pilates Pilates. I was following Shannon Naj. If you guys are familiar with like the vlog lifestyle slash beauty community, you probably have heard of her. She owns the studio Hot Pilates in LA, and people rave and talk about it all the time. She has celebrity clients and things like that, so people really know her and really love her workouts. So I decided I wanted to do some of those, and while I did love them at the time, I felt like they were very repetitive and I kind of was getting bored after doing it for so long. I want to say I was doing it for about 2 months, like a couple times a week I was doing her workout. So I decided that I wanted to change it up. And I remember when I was still in school in April that one of my classmates was telling me that she was using the Peloton app to do workouts, and she was saying that they had a free 30-day trial. So I decided to download the app and start doing the workouts. This month I finished my 30-day trial, and I'm not gonna lie, I have really been contemplating and going back and forth on whether I want to purchase a subscription. That's how much I really do love this app. I really don't know when a lot of these fitness studios are gonna open back up, and I really want to be able to get in a good workout. And while I do love free YouTube workouts and I think they're just as effective, I don't know, I kind of got attached to some of these instructors that I've been following for the month. They're just so great, so motivational, the music, the upbeatness, and I really do love it. So I'll update you guys if I end up getting a subscription. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of torn, but they do have like strength, yoga, cardio, meditation, running, outdoor running, cycling, stretching, boot camp, walking. Like they have so many different categories to choose from. And if you guys have the Peloton bike, you can obviously do the cycling, but everything else you can do like just with your body. So if you want to do strength, because I've been doing a lot of strength and cardio workouts, you can just do that with a mat and if you have some weights. And they also have the option to choose if you don't have any equipment or not. But if you are on the app during a certain time, you can actually be a part of like a live class, and like the instructor is teaching it live like while you're actually doing it, which is super cool. I've never actually done one of the live classes because I feel like I always work out at like the weirdest times, like 11 p.m. If you do want the sort of live experience still, I would definitely recommend checking out the Peloton app. So the last favorite that I have to share with you guys is a body tool, I'm gonna call it. It's just something that you use to exfoliate your body in the shower. And it is this like net thing, okay? So I first heard about this from a couple of friends because I believe this is traditionally used in like African culture, and a lot of the friends that were telling me about it, their parents are from Africa, and they were saying that this is like the best body exfoliator ever. Like it's better than loofahs. Like if you have like dead skin cells, if you struggle with like what people call strawberry legs, like if your hair is super coarse and it grows in, it kind of gives you like that blackhead on your leg, you need to try this because it is the best thing ever. And I actually got this from a black owned company called Love Scrub, and I bought this a couple weeks ago and I have been using it every time I shower. And why I love this one specifically is because it is so long. So when it gets wet, it gets even like longer than this, and you can properly get your back. It's not too much contortion, you know what I'm saying? Like when you're in the shower and you're like having to do all these moves, like it's not all of that. It's super easy to like really scrub your back. And for me, I struggled with back acne for a really long time because I sweat a lot, I like to work out, things like that. So my back is just prone to acne, and I also have dark marks on it. So something that I really want to improve are the dark marks on my back so that I'm a little bit more confident in wearing certain shirts. This is definitely something that I've been using, and I'm so excited to see like as I use this month after month how it's going to improve my skin. One thing that I can say is that once I get out of the shower, my skin feels so smooth, like baby soft. Mind you, recently I have not been using like my sugar scrubs or anything. I really have just been using this because I want to see how it improves the quality of my skin, how it really helps to get off the dead skin cells. It's really helping to open up the hair follicles, and I definitely can say that this is something that I would recommend to everyone. If you are looking to really thoroughly exfoliate your skin every time you shower, you don't have to always struggle to have to use a body scrub, I would definitely check this out. And a really important thing to do when you're trying to get rid of like hyperpigmentation and dark marks is to exfoliate, and this is why I'm so glad that I got this, and I'm seriously so excited to see the journey of my skin and how it's going to improve over the next couple months. So that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Remember that I will always link everything in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. Make sure to like this video to help support my channel and get my video in the algorithm so that other people can see it. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe because I'm trying to get to 10,000 by the end of the year. So make sure to tell your friends and tell your friends' friends to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.